Now, let's move on to make the fourth round. Everyone can take out paper and pen to write down the sequences for the fourth round. For the fourth round, start with 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 3 single crochet and 1 increase stitch as 1 crocheting sequence. Repeat this sequence 6 times. Finally, crochet 1 slip stitch. There will be a total of 30 stitches. Chain stitch and slip stitch are not included in the stitch count. Let's begin crocheting. Make a chain stitch. In the first sequence, work a single crochet into the first stitch, a single crochet in the second stitch, a single crochet in the third stitch. Then work 1 single crochet increase in the fourth stitch. Begin with a single crochet. Remove the stitch marker and mark the first stitch. A single crochet into the second stitch. Insert the hook into the space below the left V shape to make 1 single crochet. A single crochet into the third stitch. Then make a single crochet increase into the fourth stitch. Begin with a single crochet. Crochet another single crochet into the same stitch. The first sequence is completed. There are 5 marks, confirming that we crocheted 5 stitches. The fabric shows 5 V-shapes visible from the side. In the second sequence, first crochet 3 single crochet. The first. The second. The third. Then crochet 1 increase stitch. The second sequence is completed. Here, we crochet 2 sequences as a demonstration. For the remaining 4 sequences, please crochet them yourself using the same method. 6 sequences are completed. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Insert the crochet hook into the first stitch to make the slip stitch. Pull the left loop through the right loop on hook. The slip stitch is completed. Tighten the slip stitch. The 4th round is completed. Now, let's learn how to distinguish the front and back sides. Enlarge the loop and remove the crochet hook. The front side of the fabric has concentric ridges, while the back side shows many small horizontal lines. Also, the yarn tail of the magic ring is located on the back side of the fabric. During the crocheting process, ensure the fabric's front side is facing you. Continue crocheting. In the 5th round, crochet 1 chain stitch first. Then crochet to single crochet, 1 increase stitch into single crochet as 1 crocheting sequence. Repeat this sequence 6 times. 6 sequences will make a total of 36 stitches. In the first sequence, crochet to single crochet first. The first single crochet. Remove the stitch marker and mark the first stitch. The second single crochet. Crochet 1 single crochet increase in the next stitch. Then crochet to single crochet, the first. The second. The first sequence is completed. From the side, you can see 6 V shapes. In the second sequence, crochet to single crochet first, the first one. A second one. Crochet 1 single crochet increase. Then crochet 2 single crochet, the first. The second. The second sequence is completed. Here, we crochet 2 sequences as a demonstration. For the remaining 4 sequences, please follow the same method to crochet them yourself. 6 sequences are completed. Let's count the stitches. Start from the first stitch position. We found that one stitch is missing here. This proves that we crocheted incorrectly. Let's learn another method to check the stitches. Viewed from the front, the fabric has many small gaps. Each of these gaps contains V shapes. From the front, it looks like a V shape. This wider one is an increased stitch. It contains two V shapes. We use this method to check the fifth round. The fifth round has a crocheting sequence of 2 single crochet, 1 increased stitch into single crochet. The first sequence is correct. The second sequence is also correct. The third sequence is correct. The fourth sequence is correct. The fifth sequence is correct. Next, the sixth sequence. The position where we should crochet an increased stitch was crocheted as a single crochet instead. Here, we discovered a mistake. Take out the stitch marker to mark the stitch on the left side of the last correct stitch. Pass the stitch marker through one strand of the V-shape. Pull the working yarn to unravel all the stitches on the left side. Unravel to the position where the stitch marker was attached, then remove the stitch marker. Insert the crochet hook through the loop. Tighten the loop. This should be an increased stitch. We have already crocheted a single crochet. Now crochet another single crochet into the same stitch. Next, crochet a single crochet, the first one. The second. The sixth sequence is completed. Everyone can count again. Confirm the stitch count is correct. Finally, crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 5 is completed. The crochet methods from round 6 to 11 are the same. A total of 6 rounds of single crochet without increases or decreases are needed. Let's work on the 6th round. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Crochet 36 single crochet without increases or decreases. Without increases or decreases means crocheting 1 single crochet in each stitch. The first single crochet. Remove the stitch marker and mark the first stitch. The second. The third. The fourth stitch. The fifth stitch. The sixth stitch. We crochet 6 single crochet here as a demonstration. Please crochet the remaining 30 single crochet in the same way. 36 single crochet are completed. Please count to ensure there are 36 stitches in total. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 6 is completed. For rounds 7 to 11, please continue crocheting them by following the same method. Round 11 is completed. Let's learn how to count the rounds. Remove the crochet hook. This raised circle indicates the first round. Second round. Third round. Fourth round. Fifth round. Sixth round. Seventh round. Eighth round. Ninth round. 10th round. 11th round. The rounds count is correct. If you have already mastered the methods of the basic stitches and understand how to read the diagrams, you can follow the diagrams to start your crocheting. How do you download the PDF of the diagrams? It's actually very simple. You need to go back to the page where you watched the videos in portrait mode. Then scroll up the page. You will see a download section on the page. Click it and the page will take you to the download page. Click the download section there. You will then get a PDF version of the diagrams. You can watch the diagrams directly on your phone or print it out. If you have any suggestions or questions, please contact us by email. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Take out the eyes. The yellow axolotl eyes use green pads. The purple axolotl eyes use rose red pads. Take out the green pad and place it over the eye. Repeat the same process for the other eye. We need to attach the eyes between rounds 8 and 9 of the head. Leave 8 stitches between the two eyes. Now, let's locate rounds 8 and 9 of the fabric. First, fold the fabric in half. The last round of the fabric is round 11. That is, at the midpoint between these two rounds. Count for stitches to the left from the center. This is the position. There should be a spacing of 8 stitches between the two eyes. This is the position. Next, take out the safety back pieces. Attach the safety back piece to the eye. You can gently stretch the fabric to both sides before attaching the safety back piece. This way, the eye is securely attached. Do the same on the other side. First, gently pull the fabric on both sides of the eye. Then fasten the safety back piece. Both eyes are now attached. If the toy is for children to play with, you can embroider the eyes with yarn instead. Here, we are using safety eyes, but they are not completely safe. Next, continue crocheting. In the 12th round, first crochet 1 chain stitch. Then crochet to single crochet, 1 decrease stitch into single crochet to form 1 crocheting sequence. Repeat this sequence 6 times. 6 sequences will make a total of 30 stitches. In the first sequence, crochet to single crochet first. The first single crochet. Remove the stitch marker and mark the first stitch. The second one. Then crochet 1 decrease stitch. Let's learn how to crochet an invisible decrease stitch. Each stitch has a V shape which has 2 loops. The loop closer to us is the front loop of the stitch. The loop farther from us is the back loop of the stitch. An invisible decrease stitch requires crocheting through the front loops of 2 adjacent stitches. Next, let's start crocheting. Use the crochet hook to pick up the front loops of the next 2 adjacent stitches. Now, there are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the first 2 loops on the crochet hook. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over the hook and pull through the 2 loops on the crochet hook. 1 decrease stitch is completed. From the side view, it looks like a V shape. Next, crochet to single crochet. Please pay attention to the hook insertion point. These 2 pull threads are the front loops picked during crocheting the decrease stitch. We need to insert the hook into the gap below the left V shape. Crochet the first single crochet. The second. The first sequence is completed. From the side, you can see 5 V shapes. In the second sequence, first crochet to single crochet, the first one. The second. Crochet 1 decrease stitch. Pick the front loops of the next 2 adjacent stitches. There are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. There are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. Then crochet to single crochet, the first one. The second one. The second sequence is completed. Here, we crochet the sequences as a demonstration. For the remaining 4 sequences, please follow the same method to crochet them yourself. 6 sequences are completed. Please count carefully, there are 30 stitches in total. crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 12 is completed. Crochet 1 chain stitch for round 13. Then, crochet 3 single crochet and 1 decrease stitch as 1 crocheting sequence. Repeat this sequence 6 times. 6 sequences will a total of 24 stitches. The first sequence starts with 3 single crochet. The first one. Remove the stitch marker and mark the first stitch. The second. The third. Then crochet 1 decrease stitch. Pick the front loops of the next 2 adjacent stitches to make the decrease. The first sequence is completed. From the side, you can see 4 V shapes. The second sequence starts with 3 single crochet. The first. The second. The third. Crochet 1 decrease stitch. The second sequence is completed. Here, we crochet the sequences as a demonstration. For the remaining 4 sequences, please follow the same method to crochet them yourself. 6 sequences are completed. Please count carefully, there are 24 stitches in total. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 13 is completed. Crochet 1 chain stitch for round 14. Crochet 1 single crochet and 1 decrease stitch as 1 crocheting sequence. Repeat the sequence 8 times. After completing 8 sequences, there will be a total of 16 stitches. Crochet 1 single crochet for the first sequence. Remove the stitch marker and mark the first stitch. Crochet 1 decrease stitch. The first sequence is completed. From the side, you can see the V shapes. Crochet 1 single crochet for the second sequence. Then crochet 1 decrease stitch. The second sequence is completed. Here, 2 sequences are crocheted as a demonstration. Please crochet the remaining 6 sequences in the same way. 8 sequences are completed. Please count to confirm there are 16 stitches in total. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 14 is completed. Remove the crochet hook. Take out the stuffing cotton. Locate the opening. Tear open the packaging. Take out a small amount of cotton. Since the cotton has been vacuum packed, we need to fluff it before stuffing it into the fabric. Keep the stitch marker loop and working yarn outside of the fabric. Stuff with cotton. Stuff the fabric with cotton in small amounts repeatedly until it is fully filled. This is how the fabric looks after being stuffed with cotton. This level of softness and firmness is okay. Please avoid overstuffing with cotton as it can enlarge the holes on the fabric and affect its appearance. Continue crocheting. Round 15. Crochet 1 chain stitch first. Then crochet 8 decrease stitches. Remove the stitch marker to make the first decrease. Use your middle finger to press down on the cotton while crocheting to prevent it from being pulled out. Use the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. The second. The third. The fourth. The fifth. The sixth. The seventh. The eighth. Eight decrease stitches are completed. Please count carefully, there are 8 stitches in total. Finally, crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 15 is completed. Leave a 6-inch yarn tail and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn tail out. Take out the longer sewing needle. Thread the yarn tail onto the sewing needle. Pick up the front loops of the last round to close up. First stitch. Remove the stitch marker. Second stitch. Third stitch. Fourth stitch. Fifth stitch. Sixth stitch. Seventh stitch. Eighth stitch. Pull the yarn tightly to close. Ensure there is no gap in the center. Insert the needle from the middle position. Leave the excess yarn inside the fabric several times to secure and hide it. Cut off the excess yarn tail. Pinch and tuck the yarn end inside the fabric. The head is now completed. Please crochet the other head, using the same method on your own.